Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Residents of Jalingo living along the River Benue banks woke up to find their homes, farmlands and business places submerged in the early hours of Saturday after over 3 hours of heavy downpour. One of the immediate needs of the persons displaced by the flood is food. However, they are also pleading with the government and non-governmental organizations to cushion their sufferings, especially financially. The flood has receded in the affected places, but has left behind the loss incurred by many families.
Government of Taraba State and the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to sincerely come to our aid. You can see this whole thing started since the early hours of the day. In fact, some people woke up and discovered that their houses were already submerged.
Our electronic machines, our credentials, most of it, the water has destroyed it, and our foodstuffs.
Everything, apart from my car that I remove out, nothing that I take out from the car.
About 7 of us in the whole compound. Water flooded the whole house. Right now, as I'm talking to you, I can't even open my door.
Taraba is one of the 27 states in Nigeria predicted to experience flood in 2021, and experts say the flooding might be severe in August and September when the water in the Lagdo Dam in the Republic of Cameroon is released.
I don't believe that it is the Lagdo Dam that has been released, because that would have affected River Benue. So as it were, now it's just the massive rainfall, that the sustained rainfall over the night that caused the flooding.
The representative of Governor Darius Ishaku, who is also the chairman of Jalingo local government area, Nasiru Boboji, was among the early callers to commiserate with the victims. He said an assessment of the damage is ongoing and an official statement will be made afterwards.
We are assessing them, we are compiling the reports, and we are also going to forward it to the relevant authorities.
With the likelihood of more severe flooding occurring along the riverbanks in a month or two, there is the need to sensitize homeowners to move to safer grounds to avoid another disaster.